We took over Kai's mansion for Mafiathon and supplied him with the latest tech in gaming. Let's go check it out. If you've been living under a rock and don't know what's going on, Kai is back with Mafiathon 2.
What's this? Mafiathon? Mafiathon? What's that?
What's Mafiathon?
What is Mafiathon 2? So he's gonna be streaming live from this undisclosed location for 30 days straight. He's gonna be trying to beating the record that Iron Mouse was set previously by Kai himself. So we'll see what happens. You may be wondering what power GPU has to do with that. Well, let me go show you. We brought a ton of setups to spread out throughout the house. Now these setups, as you can see, we got the best of the best from the industry. With the PCs themselves, as you can see, we have some beautiful specs going on with them thanks to ASUS and Intel. We're using the new Intel Core Ultra 7. So these guys are gonna be more than enough to game on. Starting off with the PC, we have the Intel Core Ultra 7, we have the ASUS Z890 and the ASUS RTX 4070 Ti Super. So huge shout out to Intel and ASUS for providing that amazing hardware. Now you may be wondering what I have for RAM and SSD. Huge shout out to Kingston for providing the 64 gig kit and the Kingston 2TB KC3000. Now that we covered the PCs, let's talk about the peripherals. As far as the peripherals go, we're completely decked out with Corsair and Elgato, from the teleprompter to the key lights to the XLR mic, the mic stand, and the Streamdeck Plus. We also even got the Corsair gaming chairs as well. Huge shout out to Corsair and Elgato for being part of this project. Without them, this wouldn't be possible, so thank you again. Now, let's talk about the rest of the house. While this mansion has been amazing to be in, the moments that have happened so far are even more amazing. Let's recap some of the best moments so far in the Mafiathon.
A phone? Yeah. I think it's time. Okay. All right. Welcome home.
Promise you were going to be fine, bro. I got you, okay?
These are all my pets, so be nice to them, okay?
Don't move.
Can I move my eyes?
Okay.
All right, Ted.
Eyes closed.
Do it.
Oh my God.
Open your eyes, it's okay.
Shut the lids and fly out.
We forgot one. Oh!
In case you want to know, those are roaches. They're Dubian roaches.
That's a good angle. World, you just give that out 100 community subs. Way to go. Congratulations, Oh my gosh, 210. Yo! Don't let that motherfucker go, gang. Don't let that motherfucker go. Gang. Oh shit. Hell no, bitch. I'm throwing that bitch. Whoa!
Hey, wrong direction? I guess so. Yeah, reversing. I'm coming, Kai. Kai! Kai! I've done him in, people.
Kai Cenat! Oh my God!
Get down and give me one. Whatever.
No!
Good to see you, brother.
Jack, this is live, Jack.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I can't believe I'm Spider-Man. Thanks for the follow. Kevin, thanks for subscribing. You guys are amazing. Never give up. You gonna make that shit. Never give up. You gonna make that shit. Woo! Never give up.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Easy. Would you look at that? Who knew you could be so cool? Shout out to Kamsky in the building. What the was that? Wow. Shout out to Kamsky in the building. Thanks for the community gifted subs. Wow, is that a galaxy? Enough of those, I might make it back to my own universe. God, what the f? Jeez. Oh my God, what the f? Oh my gosh!
You have the
Can I do it?
remote. 100%. It's all you.
It's me.
It's all you.
Yo, chat. Is it me? Is it ready? I'm Kai,
And I'm Carly.
and you're watching
Hi, Carly.
What's up, homie? How you feeling?
Bro, yo, I'm feeling good. Yo, bro, I appreciate you, bro, for real, bro.
I appreciate you back.
Hey, can you say,
Get the food out your mouth.
can you say, oh shit, here we go
I
again.
didn't know y'all was finna call me. I'm eating a burrito like a mother.
Nigga, just say, oh shit, here we go again.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I know you cuzzo.
Thank you again to Intel Gaming, ASUS, Kingston, and Corsair for making this a reality. Without these incredible partners, this moment wouldn't have been possible.